Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to bottle flip. Now, of course, you can just get a bottle and try it on your own, and I encourage you to do that, but there's actually some physics behind it, and I have some information that can help you. So first, we're gonna talk bottle. Here's your traditional bottle. This is actually much more difficult to bottle flip than something, say, like a Powerade bottle or a Gatorade bottle. And I'm gonna teach you how to bottle flip both styles. You're, of course, going to throw it up in the air and hopefully land a bottle flip. Now, the first thing we wanna discuss is water level. This is actually kind of heavy amount of water in your bottle to do a bottle flip. It's gonna make it more difficult to flip, but if it does land, the water, if you have heavy amount of water, it helps it hit the ground and stay upright better. So you're gonna wanna try to experiment with a little bit of water and a lot of bit of water and find the nice medium that you like. Honestly, this one could use a little less. Take that, Gatorade. So now I have a little less. I think this is the right amount of water. Now the second thing we're gonna talk about is form. You can of course just toss it and hope it works, but what's really going to get the bottle flipping is the way the bottle leaves your hand, okay? I don't just throw it up, I actually swing it upwards and then with my fingers send it downwards, which makes the flip happen. You could of course just throw it big and hopefully it goes, but you don't have to throw it that high to achieve a bottle flip if you use your fingers. So as you swing it up, the bottom is gonna swing upwards and your fingers are gonna actually send the top downwards, which sends the bottle flipping at a much faster speed. So let's put that all together and see how it looks. Perfect. And when it comes to form, the way the bottle flips is going to affect whether it lands or not. Now, if I bottle flip outwards, it has more likely of a chance to hit and falling over, like watch. See, that landed but then toppled over because the momentum going this way just makes the bottle want to fall over. So especially with skinnier bottles like your basic water bottle, you actually want a bottle flip more upwards and it come down because the gravity of the water will weight it downwards, okay? So when I do a bottle flip like that, it wanted to tip over, but the physics behind all this water going to the bottom re-centered the balance and it successfully bottle flipped. Now, third thing I'm gonna talk about is bottle shape. So we have your basic water bottle. I think this is way more difficult than this. Here's a Gatorade bottle, here's a Powerade bottle. Both function very similar, but Powerade has better caps. Gatorade used to have great caps, but these days they just crack on you. And you don't want orange Gatorade all over your girlfriend's sofa or mom's or your sofa. I don't know. So I go with Powerade, and you could always just take the Powerade out and put water in it. With more surface area on the bottom, all that liquid going down to it, you just land more bottle flips. It's just better. This is cheaper plastic. This shape bottle is better in virtually every single way. Plus, if you're gonna start to do more advanced bottle flips, which is a hilarious thing, I didn't think I was gonna say that in a professional setting. Is this a professional setting?
Yeah, it looks pretty professional.
Oh, okay. With the wider surface area on the bottom, you can actually get into sliding your bottle flips, although it's not a good surface for sliding. But I threw that outwards and it stayed. It didn't topple over. This is your preferred bottle shape, but if this is what you have, if you learn on this, you're actually gonna be way better when you switch over to a wider, bigger, more durable bottle. So everybody, remember, first thing you need to worry about is liquid level. Second step is form. You're going to swing the bottom of the bottle up while pressing down with your fingers. And remember, you're gonna want a bottle flip upwards more than outwards. And lastly, shape of bottle affects what you're doing, so keep it in mind. And if you wanna land more bottle flips, go with a bigger, wider bottle. I hope that helped you out, guys. Hit the subscribe button for more how-tos.
Hey, we're clear. There you go, tighten that up, man, come on. We're here, we're ready to bottle flip and go.
Today I'm gonna teach you how to bottle flip. It's hard to say, it's hard to say, seriously. I've got things that I've got useful information, I promise.
When you need to figure out how to,
Well, what do?
look it up online. How to everything. Brought to you by, I don't know, nature? Sure.